Hello everyone, welcome to HowToBrowser YouTube channel. In this video I'll show you how you can select a random face in Blender. And so what you have to do, simply go to select and then select random. Okay, that's all you have to do. Make sure you select the face and then go select and select random. Now here that's you can't see any selected face because of the action I have here, and it's like select instead of select. And now if I change to from deselect to select, now here I can change the ratio, I can change the random seed, and you can also select everything and then go to select and select random, and here you select deselect. Okay, so I hope you learned something. I hope this video helped you, and take care, and I'll see you in the next video.